हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखते हैं अनाउंस अनअनाउंस ऑटोमेटेड एंड मैनुअल पेनेट्रेशन टेस्टिंग। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट देखते हैं अनाउंस टेस्टिंग। अनाउंस टेस्टिंग इज एन अटेम्प्ट टू एक्सेस एंड रिट्राइव प्री आइडेंटिफाइड फ्लैग फाइल or to compromise system on the client network with the full cooperation and knowledge of the IT staff. Okay, such testing examines the existing security infrastructure and individual system for possible vulnerabilities. Creating a team oriented environment in which member of the organization's security staff are part of the penetration team allows for a targeted attack against the most worthwhile hostess. So this is the announced testing. Next one is unannounced testing. Unannounced testing is attempt to access and retrieve pre-identified flag file or to compromise system on the client network with the awarenesses of only the upper levels of management. Such testing examines both the existing security infrastructure and the responsiveness of the staff. If intrusion detection and incident response plans have been created, these types of tests will be identify any weaknesses in their execution. Okay, unannounced testing offer a test of the organization security procedure in addition to the security of the infrastructure. Okay, in both cases the IT representative in the organization who would normally report security breaches to legal authorities should be aware of the test to prevent escalation to law enforcement organization. So this is the unannounced testing. Next is automated testing. Instead of relying on security experts, some organization and security testing prefer to automate their security assessment. Here, a security tool is run against the targeted and the security posture is assessed. The tools attempt to replicate the attack that intruder have been known to use. This is similar to vulnerability scanning. Based on the success or failure of this attack, the tool attempt to assess and report security vulnerabilities. Okay, next, however, it must be noted that through security assessment also included elements: architectural review, security policy, firewall rule based analysis, application testing, and general benchmarking. Okay, automated testing is generally limited to external penetration testing using the black box approaches and does not allow an organization to profit completely from the exercise. As an automated process, there is no scope for any of the policy or architectural element in the testing, and it may need to be supplemented by a security professional expertise. One advantage attributed to automated testing is that it reduces the volume of traffic required for each test. This gives an impression that the organization can service its customer concurrently for the same overhead structure. Organization needs to evaluate if this indeed serves the purpose of the test. A non-automated security assessment will always be more flexible to an organization requirement and more cost effective, as it will be take take into the account other areas such security architecture and policy, and will most likely be more through the therefore secure. In addition, testing at frequent intervals allows the consultant to explain the management of the organization and the technical audience what they have discovered, the process they use, and the ramification of all the recommendations. Additionally, they can inform in person as an individual entity helping to support the IT security department, augmenting the budget required. So this is the automated testing. Next is manual testing. Several organizations choose to have a manual assessment of their security and may benefit from their experience of a seasoned security professional. The objective of the professional is to assess the security posture of the organization from an attacker perspective. Under the manual approach, the security professional attempt to unearth holes in the security model of the organization by approaching it in methodical manner. The phase of testing can involve basic information gathering, social engineering, scanning vulnerabilities assessment, exploiting vulnerabilities, etc. A manual approach require planning, test designing and scheduling and documentation to capture the result of testing process. It is entirely. Documentation plays a significant role in deciding how well the team has been able to assess the security posture of the organization. Some organization may choose to their own internal team to do manual assessment and the external agency audit at the same time. Some others may choose to get second internal external team to audit the finding of the first external team. The rule of engagement and accepted deliverables should be clearly defined. In the long term, the management will benefit more from a manual approaches as the team will be able to explain the gravity of the situation from a unbiased viewpoint and make recommendation on improving the security posture. So ये है मैनुअल टेस्टिंग। ओके, अगर वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो ज़रूर लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।